Today's event is really about bringing industry, government and investors together with some of the UK's leading sustainable technology entrepreneurs, so accelerating technology to market.
The agenda today is some very practical help about how you actually take business plans forward, lots of networking opportunities, lots of questions for my department.
It's about us meeting the entrepreneurs we work with, about them meeting each other, and about us all understanding more about the shared challenge and how we can work together.
What can government do to help? And actually, they can do a lot.
I really think and love the definition of innovation that is about invention times impact.
The difference that's made by the low carbon industry is what will make the biggest difference to the most people.
Technology and innovation finds its way to market over a period of years, normally through natural market activity. With climate change, this is time we don't have.
We need those technologies within the next 10 or 15 years in many cases in order to meet our climate targets.
The solutions require kind of multiple elements. And one of the themes for today is going to be about co-evolution.
What we mean by co-evolution is where 3 or 4 different stakeholders in an ecosystem have to come together and have to do something together in order for that technology to be uptaken.
In the circular economy sector, collaboration is required to overcome the regulatory barriers to repurpose waste.
In the transport sector, we really need government and industry to work together to get the incentives right to get mass market adoption of electric and alternative fuel vehicles.
The energy system is complex and connected. It contains players both large and small. They need to work together to deliver the low carbon grid of the future.
The industrial sector is full of large, complex assets, the performance of which needs to be fully understood. To get that understanding, we need to bring together employees, academic institutions and supply chain innovators.
The construction industry is conservative and risk averse, and so they need to come together with government and the certification bodies to de-risk the process of adopting new technologies.
In today's event, we're encouraging everybody to commit to 2 joint actions. Those actions might be quite small actions, but they have to have purpose and there must be potential for them to lead to follow-on actions.
I have committed to review the portfolio of a major UK manufacturer,
to have a follow-on meeting,
connecting with all the people here,
to make an introduction,
to exploring trading carbon credits,
to have a communication with 2 companies,
to try our material in their product,
to visit a wind technology that's under test.
Part of the value of doing events like this is that we create a community of interest and a community of practice. It's part of a kind of ongoing networking that builds the whole clean tech sector.
My hope in the future is that there will be some big changes in industry that actually started as small actions coming out of today's conference. And it's only by building those trusting relationships in these settings that we can actually enable that to happen.